Class 4 Grammar, that is chapter 9, Adverbs. An adverb is a word. Now what is adverb? Now see, an adverb is a word that tells how, when and where an action takes place. Okay, how, when and where an action takes place. An adverb is a word that tells how, when and where an action takes place. How did you do it? I did it well. He did it badly. She did it slowly. When? When did you meet her? I met her daily. I met her daily. I met her today. I met her yesterday. Where? Where were you sitting now? I was sitting here. He was sitting there. She was sitting inside. Okay? Now, so how you got, how you do well, badly, slowly, when, daily, today, yesterday, and where, here, there, inside. Okay, so adverb tells us how, when and where. So these three you got. Now see, some commonly used adverbs are how, when and where. Now see, adverbs of manner is how. Now see, well, badly, fast, slowly, loudly, silently, seriously, sincerely, honestly. Now when, today, yesterday, tomorrow, daily, now, then, soon, early, late. Now where, adverbs of place, here, there, inside, outside, in, out, far, near, etc. Okay, these are all. And when. Okay, now when two or more than two words act as an adverb, we call it an adverb of phrase. Okay, now when two or more words, when more than two words act as an adverb, we call it adverb phrase. Now see, how did you do it? I did it the right way. Next, he did it the wrong way. He did it at a slow speed. When did you meet her? I met her last Sunday. He met her in the morning. She met her the day before yesterday. Now where? Where were you sitting? I was sitting under the tree. He was sitting in the park. She was sitting on the root. Okay. So how, when and where. Two words act together. Now see. So they are called adverbs. Now see. They are called adverb phrase. Now see, formation of adverbs from adjective. How will you form adverb from adjectives? Now see, most adverbs are from adjectives. They end in ly. Now most adverbs are formed with adjectives. They will always end with ly. At the last there will be ny, ly. Make it clear. Now see, adjective, the adverb. Now sad, it will become sadly. Bad, badly. Safe, safely. Glad, gladly. Bold, boldly. Clear, clearly. Quiet, quietly. Quick, quickly. Blind, blindly. Clever, cleverly. Brave, bravely. Honest, honestly. Clear?